How to use an ampersand. The ampersand symbol represents the conjunction and. The word and in Latin is et. The modern ampersand symbol is actually from a ligature of the Latin et. Note that the word ampersand is a contraction of the phrase and per se and. Per se means by itself, so the phrase translates as the character ampersand by itself and. How to use an ampersand? A general rule for ampersand use is don't use it in business or formal writing as a substitute for and. See the following exceptions. Use it, but be careful not to overuse it in informal writing or in abbreviated text as when sending an SMS message or a brief email. Using ampersand in formal or business writing. 1. In proper nouns like company names, for example M&M's or Ben & Jerry's. Note, where the company name itself is an abbreviation, as in the case of M&M's, which stands for Mars and Murray originally, there is no space either side of the ampersand. Next, in titles of creative works, such as movies, novels, songs, for example, the 2008 comedy drama starring Owen Wilson and Jennifer Aniston, Marley and Me. 3. In citations, where there's more than one author, for example, Kuhn O and France V. And 4. In common shorthand, or when writing rapidly, for example, rock and roll, R&B, country and western. So, to summarize, how do you use an ampersand? Don't use it in formal or business writing merely as a substitute for and. It can be used in company names, titles, citations, and shorthand. Use it sparingly in informal writing. Has this video helped you? Hit like now, and continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and choose all to be notified when there are new videos. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Go to goodenglish.online.